with only digit 1. In first question there are 3 times 1s. So we have to write simple counting till 3. 1, 2 and 3. And then reverse it 2, 1 like this. And this is the answer. Next question. In next question there are 4 times 1. So we have to write counting till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then reverse it. 3, 2 and 1. Next question. In next question there are 5 times 1s. So we have to write counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then reverse it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is the answer. So this is an easy trick to find squares of numbers with only digit 1. Thank you.